Most Pythonic way to check ordering of sublists of a list. What's the most Pythonic way to calculate if a list of list has each element greater than its needbor? E.g., I want to see if the first element in each of the list, inside the bigger list, is greater than the second element. So for first item, it's false because 3.1 is lower than 3.13. Second and third item is true. I can most certainly use a for loop, but would like to see alternative approaches. Thanks.
Pattern matching and list comprehension.
This will return a list of Boolean values. If you want to return true if all values are true and false otherwise.
Or if you don't want to import star map.
If you watch this potato, click the 18 and